What it do? What it do? It's your boy Payroll back with another episode, man. Y'all see when it is 500, man. Stop playing with us. We ain't got that heavy on today, man. For real, for real. No payroll chain, new payroll chain. You know what I'm saying? So we definitely trying to get that shit down. We gotta go get our teeth redid and shit, man. So we sold the shop downtown, man. The high bank account get so healthy. So shit, you know how that is right there, man. We definitely finna go check out the new shop. So me and Cash got a new shop together. I gotta go pick up a car today. Shit. Y'all see we back at we back motherfucking on our old block at Pop House, man. We really ain't too much tripping off of it no more. Fuck around and ran to a plug. Got us like a what? I forgot how many pills we got from that yeah, but we got a couple pills, man. This new spot right here, y'all. Don't worry about how it look right now because we paid somebody to clean it up. So it won't be long for they right here get cleaned up, man. Y'all say I got a doula in here and shit. So yeah, sir. We got a new shop now. So that what we finna be working on, man. That what we finna be, you know what I'm saying? Me and Cash getting shit together for. We parked the motherfucking S500 in here. We gotta go grab the truck, man. We got a car to go to get. We gonna do a little trapping then, man. So we just bought a whole another car we wanted. Y'all see it when we go pick it up, man. I ain't gonna speak too much on it. We just gonna go ahead and get it. We need to go put some gas in this truck real fast, man, before we do anything, bro. 'Cause I ain't got time to be sitting on the side of the road trying to goddamn get no gas and nothing like that right now. Definitely gonna get us some trapping in today, man. Uh, 73 drop top is getting painted. The old school truck getting painted. I really ain't been pulling out my cars right now, man. I've been really just trying to find another shop and get everything done to it. Get everything done to it like I wanted it, and then we'll, go from there. But everything going okay right now, so shit, we can get that shit right there done. Uh, ran into a cold plug, so we definitely gonna chop it up with him and try to get some money up. Or we got our money up. See how much the bricks going for and get us a brick or two. Make us a couple cookies, man. Feel me? Make us money. We been making hella money off that crack, man. I ain't gonna lie. Feel me? Just feel this motherfucker gonna take $736. We going down here to I made the people drop it off at Cash Spot 'cause I ain't had no goddamn shop right now, so we gonna go ahead and go pick this up, man. Cash still on this spot. I could have left it down here, but I'm gonna go ahead and go get it before we can drive around in it and shit. We ain't got too much to worry about then. So After we do that, man, my light was green. Don't call me a bitch. What's wrong with you? Yeah, we definitely doing that right now, man. Come on, man. You got traffic bad up 'cause you want to plan in the middle of the street, bro. So now we just gotta find out what we finna do, man. We still got the trap house over there, Mill Park. We still got everything for real. We just been laying low key for a little while, man. Trying to goddamn get our business all the way up and established like we want to, so we can hire some workers, get some repos done, uh, stuff like that, man. So we ain't got nothing to worry about. I'm like, okay, well, nah. I'm just gonna turn on this street right here. Y'all know, Cash, big old compound he bought. Y'all just don't know, bro, rich as fuck for real. Bro got that bag. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. GT63s. And that thing all white. I found it. I bought it all mounted up. You feel me? The man who had it already had it mounted up. He said he was gonna take the rims off. I seen the rims. I told him, nah, don't do that. Just ship it in to me. Just like it is. You feel me? So, you feel me? My bad, y'all. I'm back. I'm back. Yeah, man. Just how it is, man. You feel me? Total shipping in just like this, bro. I got an idea for this right here. You feel me? Yes, sir. I gotta go let these rumps down real fast, man. Oh no, my trailer up too high, so I need to bag that motherfucker up. Fuck up my front end, man. Make sure y'all hit that like, share, subscribe, man. Run them numbers up, man. I should have pulled out the tow truck, man, but we're in the process of moving shop, so I was like, nah, I ain't gonna do it. I probably gotta goddamn, yeah, I gotta goddamn move the whole truck and trailer, man. Trying to go and get this done if we can get us some trapping at the end of the day, man. I ain't gonna lie. Cause your boy got what 600 pills, 107 perks, 636 X pills. So we ran to a plug who got the pills, man, and he locked in with the CVS pharmacy out here and shit. So I think it's time I makeover for all my cars for real, man. Except for my a couple of my old schools, like you know them motherfuckers ain't gonna never get painted again, probably. I still ain't got a couple on painted, but now we got a shop together, man. Cash, I can just get that nigga to paint whatever I want him to paint for me, and boom. Feel me when his ass come to work? Damn, I had to fuck up my goddamn. Well, I ain't fuck it up. I thought I did. Like he gonna have to paint this right here. He don't much know it yet. He gonna have to paint this right here. He don't much know it yet. You feel me? Gotta call Quando ass, tell the nigga put my fucking tent. Get my tent started, man. I dropped my shit off at the tent shop already. We got a Daytona Charger that we can go look at probably sometime this week, man, and get that on started. He said it got a blow motor, but it still move right now. But you know, he just want probably like 15,000 for it, and we gonna try to get that done, man. Try to get all that shit in the way. Oh yeah, by the way, y'all bought a hotel, man. Bought a hotel. Trying to goddamn get shit done around this bitch, man. Trying to keep shit going. Glad I ain't gotta go to Corleone to get no rims done. I coulda went straight and been there already. I'm tripping. Finna start picking back up the repos, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go in the back way, man. I ain't really too much tripping about it. Well, I can go both ways. Both of them sit back the right way. I ain't got the key for this motherfucker, man. I mean, I do. But I'm gonna have to come way back down here and lock this bitch. Like I said, don't worry about none of this stuff. Everything finna get cleaned up. We already paid for it. We just waiting on the people to come with the big old load and move some of this stuff and get some of it out the way for us and shit like that. So we can goddamn get shit started, man. Feel me? I definitely gotta run into the goddamn cocaine plug though. Like I said, I got that number and shit, so we'll get it handled, man. That little thing nice too, y'all. Look how nice it is, man. And I see I fucked up my front end right there. You see the little right there? Yeah, I fucked it up right there, y'all. I ain't too much tripping about it though. That what they going in the shop for. And I'ma wait. I'ma pull the S500 out. I ain't locked the gate back, man. I can't ride fishbowl right now, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm finna fix that trailer. Put that trailer right there by that door right here. And goddamn, take my truck off of it for a little while. So yeah, cash for the work. Go on, get ready, man. Y'all see the insides there, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Yes, sir. Go on, get ready, cash. Got some work to do. I still got my work cut out for me right now, man. So gotta get some more license back for the businesses and shit, man. So we definitely doing that. Let me put these routes up real fast. It's a good thing I can do that, man. Park the truck right next to it. And goddamn, let that be it what it is for the day, man. I should ride a dually, but we're gonna get in the S500, man. We ain't really too much tripping about riding there right now. Both of the gates unlocked. I got tired of being on the east side, man, Mirror Park, man. So I like, fuck it, I'm gonna come back to the hood. You feel me? So I'm gonna come back to the hood on that. I ain't got time. Shit, I just read that bitch. You know about a little touch up on the paint job. Oh, that's what I need to do too, man. Fuck that. I gotta go give me some bullets for this Drake. And some bullets for my nine, man. Cause niggas be tripping. I just told my people who own PDM, we can start back taking repos and shit, man. I'm about past the gun stuff. Yeah, we start back taking goddamn repos, man. Get our money back up. Start by taking pickups for deliveries off the dark water. Oh, I still got bullets for that. I just need some bullets for my Drake. Okay, okay. Thought I ain't had no bullets for the nine, man. Like Glock 19, man. Put that mother right here back up, man. I had to put it back up. Yeah, let go get started selling on these pills real fast, y'all. Get this home. Get us a couple. Get us some money flowing. I gotta get in touch with the real estate so I can get the old house back redecorated, man. Gotta get some new furniture in there. Gotta get Cash another key to it, man, and shit. It might end up becoming a trap again. You feel me? And I just leave the house over there in Mill Park, just on my little stash spots, man. You feel me? Like I got about 2, 3 houses over there in Mill Park. That's the crazy part about it. So I don't know, y'all. It's decided like where it is right now, man. What you need? What you need? But y'all see the big old payroll chain, man. Stop playing with me, man. Appreciate it. They need to pay 300 for 3 of them, bitches. These in there moving, y'all. She just paid 200 for what? 3 spills. What you need, Auntie? I got them. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Yeah, they paying for 'em, y'all. Appreciate it, appreciate it. What you need, you know I ain't got no crack right now. I ain't peeling them pills right now. Waiting on the plug, waiting on the re-up, man. It's all, it's all good. I catch you on the rebound, man. I ain't tripping off you right now. You mad about that crack? What you need, man? You just heard what I just told him, man. Heard what I just told him. So don't do all that. Don't scratch your face up, man. Fix your face, man. Don't get in your feelings right now, man. Just buy these pills and go lay down somewhere. All right. What you need, Shot? Appreciate it. Appreciate it. What you need, I have some crack later on in the week. Just went on the plug, man. Come on, man. Chill out. Appreciate it, my boy. Appreciate it. What you need? What you need? Appreciate it. What you need, man? Appreciate it. What you need, man? Appreciate that. Come on, see what your Back to the Future glasses on, man. Brought around to the tree, man. I ain't got time for that over here, bro. I'll be acting retarded, bro. I'm gonna start telling people, calling other people, telling them I got shit, man, 'cause they like to come around here from the other side and run the trees and shit. Get the fuck on. I ain't got no crack, nigga. I'm trying to tell y'all, nigga. I know about some pills right now. What you need, nigga? Running the trees and shit. Yeah, you better been about this shit, 'cause I was gonna beat your ass, bro. You already making the street hot over here. And you ain't buy my one for $100. You a hoe. Broke ass, nigga. Yeah, man. Get your bitch ass on, auntie. Tell your man I ain't got no crack right now. What you need? You one of my heavy spenders, man. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and get it back in for you. Promise you. Appreciate it. You ain't my one. You ain't fucking with them pills. I see that right now. Gotta make sure y'all hit that like, share, subscribe, man. Run them numbers up for me, man. We're at 420 subscribers right now. Close to that 500 mark. We still ain't at the 500 yet, but we close there. I got them. Need that 500 mark, man. You feel me? Your boy finna try to get back on the videos a little heavy, man. Get my team back in here. Team just been waiting on me for real. And get the fuck on, man. I'm thinking about buying me a 300 though next, y'all, man. I ain't gonna lie to that. Either that or a McLaren, bro. I got the money to get a McLaren right now. I got the money to get the 300, but I'm looking at the 170 300, man. You feel me? Not no regular, just 300. None of that, man. You feel me? Yo, you feel me? I'm looking at some strong shit, some shit I can, you feel me? Drop that motor and it go crazy. I don't know if I want to repaint the track hall over or not, man. Like I said, I already got two cars in the paint shop right now. They're just at another shop, man, cash it, 'cause we just bought that shop right there. So they should be back at the shop like next week, man. Then I gotta go ahead and get that G63s done. Feel me? Go and get that right there done. Go and get the tent done and shit, man, and try to get the shit on out the way, man. And you feel me? They might be tired of them pills. They gotta be tired of them pills now. Yeah, they tired of them bitches now. Shit, they ain't buy that many of them bitches though. Feel me? Like about a couple. They probably about like 20 of the X pills and probably like 10 lasagnas. And I'm about to trying to get no goddamn, you feel me? But I ain't tripping off of it. I just hold on to them, wholesale them bitches or some shit, man. You know how that shit go. Really just trying to sit back and just let some money flow through. Nigga got enough money, but I ain't really tripping off of it. I can hit my hotline real fast, man. Oh damn, I ain't got the right shit for the hotline right now, man. I gotta fix all that shit. Let me see what I got on me, man. 25 can dirt. I got some ranks though. I can break this shit down real fast. Shit, they might come in for that right there, man. Hotline. Go ahead and try to get us some money out that shit right there, man. And gotta eat some real fast, man. I think I got some, yeah, chips in my hand real fast, man. You know how that go. Gotta drink some real fast. And I had some Molly in my pocket the whole time, too. Forgot I had that, man. Feel me? So, hey, man, let's get pumping. Yeah, I had 15 ounces of Molly in my pocket. I probably been sold them, though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm good, my boy. What you tripping out for? Nigga got to work, bro. Cause you had to walk here? Man, get the fuck on, man. That's why I don't really pick up the line right here, cause they be tripping, bro. And my other line start back ringing. I got some more work. Appreciate it, my bro. Shit, Molly be moving too, though. Appreciate it, my boy. Flying that shit, man. I ain't got time for that shit. And they calling back to back. I'm finna decline them hoes, bro. Fuck it. I'm gonna pick that one up right here. Get on, man, damn. What it do, my boy? What you need? What you need? Appreciate it, my boy. Appreciate it. Try and get sales all type of way, man. Come on now. Get on, man. You ain't want nothing you had no money for. You trying to get some Molly. Oh, you running over here. I do not got no crack for you, man. You better be trying to come buy something else, man. Appreciate it, my boy. I'm gonna set that call. Take off guys at the same time, man. Fuck that shit. Making two plays at one time, then I'm definitely trapping like that. You feel me? But the phone calls be hiding in the street. You feel me? Nigga just pulling up on the street. You feel me? So man, get on, man. Man, get on, man. Got that dice too, boy. I go crazy and stop playing. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I'm making some slight little 50,000 a day, man. Ain't too heavy on it right now, bro. Cause I know when that boy Striker come outside, boy, I gotta go inside. Cause that nigga striking every block that he can hit. That nigga gonna try to lock everybody ass up soon as he pop out. I ain't even got time for that shit. I ain't gonna lie. That shit dead. Oh, I think I got no more. No, I don't. I don't. Okay. Nah, I still got 9 on left. I'm gonna bust out another pack of them bitches though. I believe that Molly got gone quick too though. Bust both of them down real fast, man. That Molly got gone quick as hell too. Yo, what you need, my boy? I'm gonna have some crap for you later on. Man, I just gotta wait on the man to wake up, man. Come on, bro. Stop tripping. Y'all nigga be crying, bro. Man, I got both of y'all, bro. I already know what y'all want. Y'all ain't gotta crack. Appreciate it. Unc, I know you waiting on it too, man. I know you come by, man. Come on, Unc. I ain't ain't tripping. Appreciate it, my boy. Oh, do not get mad. I don't got no more crap, man. You can take that Molly or they runs, and you know what I'm saying. You ain't want no but an edge pill. You ain't had that much money no way. What it do, shot? Appreciate it. Appreciate it. What you need, my boy? Appreciate you, my boy. That Molly be selling, bro. I'm telling you, bro. And they buy them bitches by, you feel me? Five of them hoes. They be spilling that bag on that Molly, man. I'm telling you, man. Appreciate it. Damn, I wish they goddamn coat plug could pick up, man. What time it is? Yeah. While it look good right now, all these transfers, you feel me? Trying to get that money, man. I need to wholesale some of these pills and shit, man. Go and get that right down out the way. What I do, my boy? What you trying to get? No, you gotta go back and paint some houses and shit, man. Come on. Yes, sir. Molly for the deal. Fuck around and bump into some of that black tar. We'll be alright then, gang. I already know we will. Appreciate it, my boy. See that Molly be selling. And I don't be buying one or two, and they be buying five of them at a time, and they know how much it add up to. That's why I said them pills. Nah, that shit don't be nothing, man. That shit just a good little small. Come up, you get 1,000 on, or 600, 700 on 'em at a time. Cause you go get your half a brick of Molly, and that's what 8 ounces. Get you about 3 cookies of coke. I mean crack. Man, you eating out here, man. I'm just selling these pills because shit, niggas just gotta have a little something though. You feel me? Push with it. Appreciate it. What you need, my boy? I believe that Molly gone already too. I'm so tired of niggas running to trees, bro. I promise to God. Oh, I thought he was finna try some stupid shit. His ass finna be out of here. Check mark right to the doctor. The God. Niggas like to run into shit, bro. That's why I have how bag my car up like that, man. Man, you ain't want nothing but you, man. Fuck about the block, man. Hate when old niggas like that come around here making the block high, hitting trees and shit, and not buying that, man. Get on, man. Appreciate it, my boy. Told you that Molly be going, bro. Don't play with that Molly. Believe that what 15 on J got going? Probably more than 15. Appreciate it. Told you they buying them. They must send the J's right here to get them. They send the J right here to get the Molly, man. Come on, man. Oh, you made up your mind now? You probably wanted some Molly. Let me make sure I got some more. Yeah, I still got like what? I still got them ounces left over that bitch. So come on in and get it while it's hot, man. Told you, I already know you gonna buy the last four. Come on, man. Get it right. The Molly moving right now. I'm about to go across that water, get me like another half a brick of this. Well, that was a whole brick I had. So I come up. I just bought the last four. I need to break down some more real fast, man. My bad, my bad. I'm break down some more Molly real fast, man. Cause that's moving. Oh man, get out the block, man. Just get out the block. You already look like the folks anyway with that tight ass hat on your head with your shirt tucked in, bitch. And I need to go get me some lean, man. I got the cups, but I need some lean to sell, boy. Like the paints. Appreciate it, my boy. You ain't gonna be pulling up for them crack cookies. And I cook them bitches up right. Most of my clientele mad cause I don't got no crack right now, man. Cause that's all they been looking for. That's all I was selling before I tested Molly. Get the fucking on, man. I here trying to get it, y'all. 46,000, man. Still got that shit moving though. Take this big ass payroll chain off, man. Move these around real fast. Put on my goddamn G3 chain, man. Cause that bitch right there heavy as fuck around my neck. That bitch right here a little light. Nigga had to take that bitch out, bro. Gotta get this money, man. Gotta make these rats, man. I ain't watching that money till I get 100,000 real quick. You feel me? Appreciate it, my boy. Cause I gotta take the plug like 25 for all them pills and goddamn rest that'll be mine. Appreciate it. to that goddamn 50 ball, man. Man, don't get in your feelings, man. Yeah, man, I need to eat some more chips. I got something else to drink on me. I got some water by you there for the cooker, man. Well, I got Cool Blue, Gatorade. I'm out here trying to get it in real fast, man. That's why that we be stopping on my play like that. Get some money out here, man. Appreciate it, shot. What you need, shot? Need to break down some more of these pink rings. Appreciate it, shot. You ain't bet my 1 pin anyway. That ain't much no money. But something better than nothing right here, man. Oh, we do got them out here. I'm gonna break down these perks real fast, man. I got all type of pill, man. For real. And I need to pop one of these perk 30s, man. Ooh, 110 on just came out the jar. Gotta pop me one. Ah, yes, sir. Drink me a little power wave behind that one. Make that play right here, man. Uh, Drink that power wave behind that one, man. Perk 30 strong. Perk 32 strong, man. Appreciate it, auntie. She bought five and flying. Nigga get high, boy. That money start going crazy. Appreciate it, my boy. Nigga high as hell right now. Nigga high as a bitch, high, man. You had to keep the gloves on. I be taking too many drugs, man. Too many packs of drugs and shit, bro. Get the fuck on, my boy. But I thought that was the police, bro. Look like he got a cop uniform on. Yeah, it's over with for me, man. I'm so high. I might need to go in the house or some shit, bro. Look, ooh, yeah. I'm gonna go in the house. Call her out. I'm gonna sleep on the floor today. 'Cause ain't no furniture in the crib. Gonna get in the house before I pass out. Hey man, it's your boy Payroll and you know what I'm saying? And I'm out. You feel me? Y'all make sure I hit that like, share, subscribe, run them numbers up.